Hello students, today will we discuss about the way of the world's explanations. To save that idle reputation, if the families of your loves had produced that consequence of which you were apprehensive, where could you have fixed a father's name? With credit. What on a husband? I knew Fennel to be a man lavish of his morals and interested and professing friends, a false and designing lover, yet one whose wit and outward fair behavior have gained a reputation with the town enough to make that woman stand excused, who has suffered herself to be won by his addresses. इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज सुन एज फैनॉल एंटर्स द पार्क्स मिसेज फैनॉल गोज aside from there with her lover Mirabel. Mrs. Fennel tells that she has developed an unknown hatred for her husband and she cannot bear his side. She asks him that when he very well knew that Fennel is a vicious man, why did he make her marry him and put her into such a difficulty? इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है In this dialogue, Mirabel accepts that he knew that Fennel was not a good man, but in spite of all this viciousness, one thing was favorable to him, that he was a man of great reputation in the society. He tells that under certain circumstances we have to take unpleasant and disagreeable decisions only to save our reputation, which we consider most significant and attach as much importance to it as to worship of God. It was for the sake of this reputation that she had to be married to Fennel. They had been so close in love with each other that they developed illicit relations. As such, she suspected that she had become pregnant, and so it was most necessary that a husband must be searched. Situation he was reminded of his friend Fennel, who was truly an immoral person. He always hankers after money and shows as if he is very close of him. But in fact, he is faithful and sincere to nobody. He is always false and extremely selfish person. But he is very witty and externally sweet and remarkable in his behavior. He has earned such a reputation in the society that to be his wife is not only an honor but a safety from all the wrongs and evils. If he loves any woman, it is considered to be an honor for her, and nobody in the society would ever blame her even if she sometimes commits any fault. He tells that in that state there could be no better man than Fennel for her. This dialogue of Fennel is the complete portrayal of the malicious and vicious character of Fennel. We also get an impression of the contemporary social condition that marriage and love affairs were different things, and most of the marriages were the result of some personal gain and not love. Thus, intrigues, cheating, illicit relations were the common features of the Restoration Society. फैनल जैसे ही पार्क में प्रवेश करता है, श्रीमती फैनल अपने प्रेमी मिराबेल के साथ तुरंत दूसरी ओर चली जाती हैं। फैनल के मन में अपने पति के प्रति घृणा है और वह उसे देखना भी पसंद नहीं करती। वह कहती है कि जब उसे पता था कि फैनल बुरा आदमी है तो उसने उसका विवाह उससे क्यों कराया। मिराबेल स्वीकार करता है कि उसे फैनल के बारे में सब कुछ पता था, परंतु वह समाज में महान ख्याति प्राप्त था। कभी कभी अपने सम्मान की रक्षा के लिए असहमति से भी निर्णय लिए जाते हैं। क्योंकि वे हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं, इसलिए उसकी फेनॉल से शादी करानी पड़ी। उनके आपस में अनैतिक संबंध हो चुके थे और उससे अपने गर्भवती होने का संदेह था। अतः ये बहुत आवश्यक है कि ऐसा पति खोजा जाए जिससे उस बच्चे के पिता का नाम दिया जाए। उससे फेनॉल की याद आई जो स्वयं में अनैतिक था, पैसे के पीछे दौड़ता था और किसी के प्रति भी सच्चा नहीं था। वह झूठा तथा अति स्वार्थी है, परंतु बहुत बुद्धिमान और व्यवहार में मधुर है। समाज में उसका ऐसा सम्मान है कि उसकी पत्नी सम्मानित ही नहीं, सुरक्षित भी है। उसका प्रेम किसी स्त्री के लिए सम्मानजनक है और कभी गलती होने पर भी समाज उस पर कोई दोष नहीं लगा सकता। यहाँ फेनॉल के गिरे चरित्र का व्यक्ति दिखाया गया है। समकालीन सामाजिक स्थिति व विवाह के दृष्टिकोण को भी प्रकट किया गया है। अनैतिक संबंध व षड्यंत्र सामाजिक जीवन के अंग थे। नेक्स्ट है ब्यूटी इन द लवर्स गर्ल। लवर्स गिफ्ट। लॉर्ड व्हाट इज लवर दैट इट कैन गिव, वाई वन मेक्स लवर्स एज फास्ट एज वन प्लीज, and they live as long as one please, and they die as soon as one please, and then if one please one make more। इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है मिलामेंट आस्क्ड मिराबेल if he was sorry and pained at her last night's behavior with him। In the Cavil Night Party, Mirabelle tells that if a lady like her destroy her lover, she herself will also be lost and useless। Why the lover's stage? Even the most ugly woman would consider herself beauty। The lover is the real mirror of a woman। Explanation है मिलामेंट contradicts all these arguments of Mirabelle and says that if does not praise the beauty of woman, it does not mean that they are not beautiful। The reality is something different। The man cannot praise those women who are not beautiful। Mirabelle told the beauty is a gift of the lover, but in fact it is beauty that charms and created lover। Without beauty it is impossible for a woman to get any lovers। If she has no beauty, she has nothing with her to offer to her lover, and so there cannot be any attachment between them। Beauty is binding power between the two। The existence of a lover is possible only by her beauty and charm, and by his power she can create or and the lovers at her pleasure। So the woman is more important। She has the power to make man a lover, and it is wrong to believe that lovers make women really beautiful। She is proud that women have the power to make or unmake the lovers whenever she please। A man can be called a lover only if a woman loves him, and if no woman loves a man, he can never win the title of a lover। Moreover, it is in the power of a woman to create more and more lovers and change them at her free will। This dialogue is typically restoration in spirit। It is the finest example of wit। The women consider that beauty is their greatest gift, and love is the only work of their life। They are always involved in various love affairs, and keeping lovers was the fashion of the day। Such sparkling and witty dialogues have made these comedies immortal in popularity। देखिए इसमें क्या है, मिलामेंट मिराबेल से पूछता है क्या वह पिछली रात कैवल पार्टी में उसके व्यवहार से दुखी है। मिराबेल बताता है यदि उसके जैसी कोई महिला अपने प्रेमी को बर्बाद कर देती है तो वह स्वयं भी बेकार हो जाएगी। प्रेमी की प्रशंसा से बहुत भद्दी स्त्री भी स्वयं को सुंदर मानने लगती है और प्रेमी ही स्त्री का सच्चा प्रतिबिंब होता है। मिलामेंट इन सब बातों का विरोध करती है। यदि पुरुष स्त्री के सौंदर्य की प्रशंसा ना करे तो उसका अर्थ ये नहीं है कि वह सुंदर नहीं है। पुरुष उन स्त्रियों की प्रशंसा कर ही नहीं सकता जो सुंदर नहीं है। ये कहना कि सुंदरता प्रेमी की भेंट गलत है, क्योंकि सौंदर्य ही प्रेमी उत्पन्न करता है। सुंदरता के बिना स्त्री को प्रेमी नहीं मिलता। सुंदरता दोनों को बांध कर रखती है। सुंदरता से ही प्रेमी का अस्तित्व होता है। अतः स्त्री अधिक शक्तिशाली है, उसमें पुरुष को प्रेमी बनाने की शक्ति है। वह प्रेमी को बना या बिगाड़ सकती है। पुरुष तभी प्रेमी कहलाता है जब स्त्री उसे प्रेम करे। यदि कोई स्त्री उससे प्रेम नहीं करती तो वह कभी प्रेमी नहीं बन सकता। वह सौंदर्य व प्रेम का उस समय का विश्लेषण है। उस समय अनेक प्रेमी रखना समाज में प्रचलित फैशन था। This dialogue shows that in spite of all her art and wit, Lady Wishfort is the poor victim of her own intrigue, but her aversion to Mirabelle is quite obvious. However, the intrigues and counter-intrigues are quite clear in this dialogue. The whole dialogue is an expression of anger of Mrs. Marwood against Mrs. Fennel, but in fact, it can be generalized because this is true of everybody in this fashionable society. The dialogue reflects the general characters of the men and women in that fashionable circle.